Welcome to YouTube channel Life Skills. Please like, share and subscribe the channel Life Skills. Press the notification button to get the latest videos on motivation and life skills. It is era of pomposity and show off. How many dresses we possess, what jewelry we have, and which brands we use, thereby we are considered elite class people, is the only thing we wish to prove to others. We must be the first ones among us those who are aware of the latest brands with regard to fashion trends. This is an unending competition which can never satisfy us. This lifestyle has made us extravaganza. We are spending more money on the unnecessary things with this fear and pressure that people may not consider us fools or backward. Let us discuss a story which I heard in my early childhood. The story is about two neighbors. One of them was rich while other was poor. Samantha, the rich lady, was quite spendthrift as we discussed earlier. She used to spend a lot of money on buying new things without thinking whether they are useful or not. One day Samantha wasted all her money in this manner and her husband refused her to give more money. Since Samantha could not live without shopping, she went to her neighbor Mary, who was a poor lady. But Mary used to save money for future and Samantha was aware that Mary had some money. The rich lady Samantha demanded some money from Mary. The poor lady Mary thought about Samantha. She is my neighbor and a rich lady, and she will certainly return this money. Thus gave 10,000 bucks to Samantha. Samantha took the money and spent all this money on unnecessary shopping. Samantha further demanded more money from Mary several times, and the poor lady always helped her. One day the poor lady Mary was in need of money. She went to Samantha, who was a rich lady, and requested her to return her money. Samantha became furious and insulted that Mary and insulted Mary in presence of her friends and shouted, "I am a rich person. I give charity to the poor. But in this way you are annoying me. Why shall I take money from you?" The rich lady Samantha humiliated Mary and she went back to her home and started crying bitterly. Mary thought she would go to the court of the king. She went there and appealed for justice. The king listened to everything carefully and found that there was no evidence or witness about the transaction between the two ladies. The king instructed both the ladies to appear in the temple. Both of them reached there and found that the route to enter the temple was muddy. They crossed that area and reached there. A servant came and gave 2 buckets full of water to both the ladies. Samantha and Mary cleaned themselves and entered the temple premises. The king was present there and discussed the case and instructed to Samantha, the rich lady, to refund all the money she borrowed from the poor lady Mary and give 10,000 more bucks as fine. Samantha became furious and she asked as to why this decision was made. The king said, "You both ladies were given 1 bucket full of water, and you, Samantha, you consumed all the water and demanded 2 more buckets of water to clean yourself, while the poor lady Mary not only cleaned her with less water than a bucket, but also saved the water. This shows that she saves the resources whichever is available with her. Well, Samantha, you consume all the resources and seek help from others for more resources. Your behavior towards stealing the situation clearly expresses your nature. That is why this decision has been made. We should learn from this incident that we should spend only that much which we can afford and not more than that. Else we have to take help from others unnecessarily. It is smartness on your part as to how you consume your resources so that you may not require anyone's help. I do not say that you should not spend some money on your favorite dresses or luxuries. However, it is good if we lead a simple life without pomposity during lockdown. The people who possess Expensive dresses are worried that they cannot wear these dresses on any occasion since grand parties are not being organized due to maintaining social distancing, etc. norms. Money is certainly important, but money is not as valuable as health is. After the entry of coronavirus in the world, people have become insecure about their health and finances. Due to spendthrift nature, it is sometimes impossible to return money borrowed from others. Hence, spend money on the essential things during corona pandemic and lockdown. Stay happy, healthy, and lead a simple life. Do not think just about you, but also think about others. And if possible, help others in their survival. You will feel self satisfaction. Stay happy and blessed. All the best. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel Life Skills. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel Life Skills. Press the notification button to get the latest videos on motivation and life skills.